So I want to show you how to make a cleaner cut, because this is a bit blunt, so I'm going to use this plier to cut this. I don't want one of the lines. I'll use this plier to cut along one of the lines to introduce a sharper edge right now. So you take it gently, put it across here, slide it to this lower part so that the blade should be nearer to the holder. Now snap it downwards. Okay, wasn't too clean, but we have a new edge that's really sharp. And you take this blade and put it somewhere very safe. Wrap it in paper and trash it. So we have a nice clean edge ready to cut. Please keep these implements away from children. They're very sharp, very, very sharp.